In this video, we will show you how to block someone on TikTok. Maybe you are very difficult if you don't know how to block someone on TikToks. I will show you how to block on smartphone, also on web browser. For example, here I'm using my smartphone. Find the people that you want to block first. For example, I will find this person. Okay, if I have the username of people that we want to block, just click them until we seeing the profiles. Okay, after that we can click this share button. Now you can see there is block people in here. Okay, maybe you are confused because on the TikTok usually we see the menu like this and see the block account, but in this case on the TikTok, to block people we can just click this. Okay, and we can click this to block them. Okay, the next is in the web browser, block the people on web browser. But it's very easy because you just need to click this three dot icon and select block. Okay, like this. And we will block these people from our Android. Let's open. Now we can just click this to block. Okay, you can see we have two options. We can block easily via web browser or just via TikTok application. Just click block after that. Now we can click block. Now we have successfully blocked these people. Okay, that's all tutorial how we can block someone on Android. If you have any question, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.